Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your carrier voicemail is active and you know the PIN. This avoids delays. Once done, open the phone app and tap the voicemail tab or long press 1 to dial the voicemail service. Make sure your device has cellular signal. Visual voicemail needs data or network access. If prompted, grant microphone and notification permissions so messages can be recorded and you get alerts. This puts you directly into the voicemail interface to retrieve messages immediately. You will usually be asked for your PIN. Enter it or use biometrics if your provider supports it so you can access messages securely. Once inside, tap a message to play and use play, pause, rewind, or fast-forward controls to find the part you need. Visual voicemail shows caller info and transcripts. Swipe or tap to save, delete, or archive each item. Make sure to download any important attachments or voice notes to local storage or cloud, so they remain accessible even after deletion. You finish by confirming saved messages and removing ones you don't need so your inbox stays manageable. Make sure notifications and transcription are enabled if you want text previews. These settings live in the phone app voicemail settings. If messages won't play or voicemail won't connect, first toggle airplane mode or restart the phone, then reset the voicemail PIN through carrier tools. If problems persist, contact your carrier. They can reset your mailbox or fix network side issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.